What's up YouTube? You can do 3000 here, and today I'm back with part 5, the last part of my random pack opening. I got some pretty cool pulls so far, and so yeah, here we go. Let's open these packs. Once I'm done, I'm gonna do a recap of everything I got. So open this one up, Dark Crisis first. See if we get some hollows. A rare legendary Fire Lord, legendary Flame Lord. Pretty cool. I like seeing these older cards. The Rise of Destiny, first edition. Harpy Girl, check her out. Pretty sweet. I think that's before they did the cover up. A rare Flint. Okay, let's do a Pharaonic Guardian. Oh sweet, a ultra rare Guardian Sphinx. It's pretty cool. Ultra rare. Let's do an Ancient Sanctuary. It's not first edition. There we go. A rare Grave Protector. Okay, so we got 2 more packs left. Let's do the Magician's Force. See if we get a Dark Paladin. That's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. And a rare Dramatic Rescue. So just a rare. Okay. And now, Legend of Blue Eyes. Come on. See if we get a Blue Eyes White Dragon. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, here we go. It's got a Silver Fang. And just a rare 2-pronged attack. So, just a rare. Okay, so let's do a real quick recap here. Everything I got. Okay, so here we go. Here's everything I got. So we got a Guardian Sphinx Ultra Rare, a Ultimate Rare Super Electromagnet Voltec Dragon, a Ultra Rare Perfect Machine King First Edition, a Super Rare Quakimeru Valafer, a Super Rare Reaper on the Nightmare, a Ultra Rare Cybern Dragon First Edition, a Ultra Rare Cost Down Sphinx Telia, Andro Sphinx, and Tienin the Great Sphinx, and then a Neturi Cliff. So that's everything I pulled. Everything is for sale or trade. Just PM me. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe. And see you later. And leave comments down below. Tell me what you want to see me open next. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you later.